We have people, the new Infinity Kappa Perfect 6x9 cut-in lid kit from Infinity. Well, you're going to say, well, what's inside the box? I'm going to show you, okay? Be patient. Be patient. Looky here. Very well packaged, I must say. Now, I've already taken the other 6x9 out because it's in the bike, but I'm going to show you this 6x9 here, okay? The build quality on this. Beautiful build quality, okay? Looking good. More cardboard. Template. Got template on there. Cut this out. And we have the grill and the inside. Cut the hole. This goes inside. This goes on top, and it sandwiches right in between there. Okay? And there's the Infinity logo on the side, which I kind of like. I mean, everybody else puts it like on the front here. I like it on the side. It's out of the way, but it's still there. And the holes here, the mesh here, it's very fine, okay? So less water damage inside there. So there you go, the new Infinity 6x9 lid kit. We're in testing right now. We just got to set in, so we're testing them out. Give us a call probably next week, and come down and listen to it in our bike here in the showroom. Okay, take care.